Hey guys, well I thought I would share this week's grocery haul, and I haven't shared in a while just because we've not had that much, and to be honest the food police come out in full force in a grocery haul and I just don't feel like dealing with it, so I just don't film a lot. As you're watching this, it probably is the day of the Super Bowl, so you know, keep in mind some things are for that. But I decided to get an Amy's Pizza. Some of you know that have watched these a lot. I used to get these all the time. This is my favorite, so we thought we would get this one. This Stouffer's veggie lasagna, of course it's enormous. It's like a big block of ice. I don't know why this just sounded good. I haven't had this in forever and I honestly didn't feel like making my own. I normally do, but I don't know. I've just been in a creative rut with food lately. So it's almost one of those, I just have to buy something or we're not gonna eat or we're gonna be eating like peanut butter and jelly. I'll probably make the chicken verde tacos again in the crock pot, which I've shown that several times. So I really like the fajita size, and then these are the ones we like. These are the carb balance whole wheat. This is the bread, you know, that we always get, and I decided to get some guacamole. And then these were actually on sale for 2 of them, but I thought we would have these and like some potatoes, and I usually do like chopped up peppers and onions. If I get these, I always get the uncured turkey sausage. Needed a backup of sweet potato fries. This is just something I always keep on hand for, you know, those nights we don't know what we want, but I like sweet potato fries because they're better for you and they're filling. I needed some sunflower seeds. As most of you know, I eat a salad pretty much every day for lunch, and I always put those on it. And needed a salsa. Try to always keep that on hand. And I've had a really hard time with almond butter lately, and a lot of you guys know that. I'm pretty sure I've had this one before, and I liked it, and I was gonna go with this one again. The one from Costco, it had a really good flavor, but oh my gosh, it was so soupy. It never would thicken up, so I can't deal with that. These are the crackers that we always get too. Some baby arugula, pretzel crisps. This, I have never noticed this before, but I thought it sounded good because I like stuff like this. Honestly, I could just make a meal out of things like this. The greens and grains risotto. Basically, it says wheat berries, farro, quinoa, rice with kale and pesto. So I thought that looked good. And these are the corn chips we've been getting. So the blue corn organic, I like these. And pop chips. I have not had pop chips in so long, but I had a sandwich or a wrap last week for lunch, and I always like chips with something like that. And so it reminded me to get some of these. And here's the verde sauce that I get when I make those chicken tacos. Some little cuties. Let's see, we got all kinds of things in here. So this is where it comes just for little snack stuff during the Super Bowl. I usually don't buy a lot of pepperoni or certain kind of lunch meat, but one of pepperoni and some sharp white cheddar. A backup of brown rice. And then these are the potatoes. I've had these once in a while, but I thought I would get these to have with the sausage. And some chopped walnuts. I like these once in a while in my oatmeal. Again, you guys know I eat oatmeal pretty much every morning. I'm kind of boring for breakfast and lunch. I pretty much do the same thing all the time. Needed some ground turkey, kitchen garbage bags. And this is cracked pepper turkey breast. Again, this kind of goes with that few little lunch meats and cheeses to have on crackers for during the game. And a few things of Kleenex, the crackers. These are the gluten-free crackers that I like. I like these when I have my salad, and then my husband usually eats the other ones that I showed. So I got a couple of those. Thing of Kleenex for my husband's work. Bananas, green tea for my husband, and then probiotic. So hopefully I didn't miss anything hiding out in there, and kind of gave you a peek at just a few things we're probably doing for dinner-wise this week. I hope you guys had a good week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.